Yo, check it. The Nike Off-White Presto's hitting $2,070 on StockX right now, but guess what? I copped these clone kicks for just $150. Makes you think, right? Dropping 2 racks on sneaks that cost like 20 bucks to make, especially if you're gonna rock them every day instead of flipping them for cash. If you're all about that smart spend without skimping on quality, hit up movingkick.ru. They've got the dope sneaker game on lock. And hey, slide in with my code CAMM to slash 10 bucks off your cop. Get that high-end look without draining your wallet.